Hi guys, since Pagasa said that there will be a typhoon, probably Sunday, so I decided to do the laundry today. I know some people would say that it's really better to do hand washing than do it on a washing machine, but for us who actually have to do multitasking, it would be better to have a washing machine. And so far, this brand, White Westinghouse, has been very good. So it can hold up to 7 kilograms of clothes. So as you can see on the laundry that I did today, so for the laundry, I do it for 4 people. So my husband, me, my daughter, and my mom. First thing, you have to put it on the washer where you put water and soap, and then spin for at least 10 minutes. After that, you put it on the dryer so that the soap would actually be rinsed or washed away. Once dry, it will then be manually washing them. Rinsing from soap, put it on the downy, and then back to the dryer again. So from the dryer, if the clothes will be dried, then we hang them there to dry. So as you can see, the weather is not really sunny, but at least we're not expecting any rain soon. So I hope all the clothes will be dried. So let me just continue what I'm doing. I'm actually doing the carpet right now. Yes, you heard it right. The carpet, because Christmas is coming, so it needs to be cleaned. My dogs are there. They think that it'll be bath time, but it'll be my husband who will be doing that later. So I'm actually done doing the laundry for today. So as you can see, I was able to do a lot, like carpet, bed sheet, shirts, and also the rags over there. So far, performance wise, the washing machine or White Westinghouse, we've had it for 9 months, and so far so good. So as you can see, the weather, the sun is up, though it's still cloudy, but I hope the laundry gets dry before the rain would come again. In the video, hi guys, this is actually one of our plants in our garden. So as you can see, this is the green pepper or the red bell pepper. So it's still green. It will take time for it to be red, and then it's already good for harvest. And we also have the aloe vera there. And if you go to this corner, yes, I love the bamboo plant. More aloe veras. And this is the insulin plant together with the Coca-Cola. So it's still good for the health. And of course, the iba insect and a lot of malunggais. So that's what we have in front. So as you can see, we actually have a lot of snake plants planted in front, as well as the tangad. So it's good for cooking fish. And of course, this very massive malunggay. As you can see here, we have the atis tree. So it currently has a few fruits right now. So on this side, there's an atis tree. And if you notice, there's a lot of alugbatis at the side. Some ferns. And the tangad. So that's already the view of our backyard. See, those are alugbatis. And this is the ampalaya. So you see the flowers, guys, and of course there's one that's already good for the harvest, and another one near the coconut tree, and one more. So these little babies, well, I hope that they would survive so that we can harvest and cook them soon.